Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about effects of a 10 minutes jump rope on your body. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Jumping rope is a form of exercise that involves swinging a rope around your body and jumping over it as it passes under your feet. It's a form of cardiovascular training since the constant movement elevates your heart rate. Ropes are a cardio exercise used by boxers and footballers to strengthen their muscles. This exercise can not only help to melt fat around the abdomen, but also strengthen leg muscles, improve lung capacity and increase endurance, improve respiratory performance, but also increase physical endurance during exercise. Beyond that, jumping rope can provide a host of serious athletic benefits, from coordination to explosive power to agility. And yet another big perk, it's just plain fun. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Here are some effects of a 10 minutes jump rope on your body. So, stay tuned with us. Number 1. Improves nerve and muscle coordination. When you pull the rope, you focus on the movements of your legs, and this improves your coordination. Even if you do not realize this concentration yourself, your mind is aware of what the legs are doing. Practicing this exercise will make you lighter on your feet, that is, you will find more coordination and it will be easier to pull the rope. Of course, there are different ways to rope. In professional rope methods, you need more coordination and you need to be more careful. Number 2. Reduce foot injuries, especially in the ankle area. In addition to improving coordination, rope strengthens the leg muscles, especially the muscles around the ankle joint. As a result, it reduces the risk of injury in these areas. If the rope is done correctly, it will make you more balanced when lying on your toes. Number 3. Burn more calories. 30 minutes of rope burning burns more calories than 30 minutes of running. Rope is a relatively intense aerobic exercise that you can do to increase your calorie intake to 1,300 calories per hour. You burn about 1/10 of a calorie every jump you make. Calories consumed in 10 minutes of rope is equal to calories consumed in 1.5 kilometers of running in 8 minutes. Number 4. An attractive exercise that can be done in different situations. The sports rope can be with you anywhere, at school or even when you travel. You can also use ropes to warm up before basketball or to cool down after cycling. Ropes are a sport that comes in many forms: power, speed, show, individual and team ropes. Some types, such as double dutch, can be done with children or other family members. You can even hold family competitions and have fun while exercising. Number 5. Improve bone density. Researchers who have studied the condition of bones in athletes and the elderly say that the best exercise to improve bone density is simple jumping up and down. If the bones are strong enough, people do not need to do more exercise to improve osteoporosis. Of course, people with a history of fractures or a family history of osteoporosis should consult a physician before performing this exercise. In a study performed on mice, a positive effect of jumping on bone density was confirmed. In this study, conditions were created for mice that had to jump up and down 40 times during the week. After 24 weeks, bone density in these mice increased significantly. Even mice that jumped only 20 to 30 times a week had higher bone density. Number 6. Improve cardiovascular health. Doctors who specialize in sports medicine recommend ropes. Studies have shown that ropes provide aerobic ventilation. Aerobic ventilation is a process in which the heart and lungs work harder to pump blood more efficiently, delivering more oxygen to the organs and muscles. To improve heart and lung health, it is recommended that you rope 3 to 5 times a week for 12 to 20 minutes at a time. Number 7. Improve respiratory efficiency. Another positive effect of rope is the improvement of respiratory efficiency. Many people experience shortness of breath during sports activities such as running or swimming. If you have this experience, you can prevent this problem by pulling the rope. Rope can not only improve respiratory performance, but also increase physical endurance during exercise. Number 8. Strengthen mental skills and concentration. You might be surprised, but ropes can make you smarter. According to research, rope strengthens different areas of the brain and, as a result, increases spatial awareness, improves comprehension skills, strengthens memory and increases mental vigilance. While jumping rope, you are constantly jumping on your toes. In this situation, the mind is faced with a constant state of imbalance, and the mind's reaction to balance is to establish coordination between nerves and muscles. In addition to positive physical effects such as increasing bone density and strengthening muscles, rope causes more coordination between nerves and muscles, which results in improved balance and involuntary reactions. Number 9. Improve the ability to stay calm. When you pull the strings, your mind and body work in unison. In fact, tug-of-war is a combination exercise that affects not only the muscles but also the nerves. As a result of this coordination, there are benefits to the mind that manifest themselves in other situations. One of these benefits is peace of mind. People who rope regularly are more relaxed than people who do not. In many situations, it is this calmness that helps you manage the situation and overcome the challenge. There's a lot to love about jumping rope, and many benefits of jumping rope that'll make you want to add it to your routine. This old school workout tool delivers a cheap, portable form of cardio and total body strengthening. And it may help you get in an intense, sweaty workout without having to leave your home, which makes it a great choice during these pandemic times. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.